5 numbers have a mean of 24. The mean of the 3 smallest numbers is 9, and the mean of the 3 largest numbers is 28. What is the median of the 5 numbers? Let's call these numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5, and just order them like this. So we want to calculate x3, which is their median. So rewriting the information that we know that the mean of all 5 of the numbers is 24, the mean of the lowest 3 is 19, and the mean of the biggest 3 is 28. And so now let's add up these two equations to get x1 plus x2 plus 2x3, because it's counted in both, plus x4 plus x5, all divided by 3 is 47. But now, interestingly enough, this contains an x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5, and we know that their sum is equal to 24 times 5. So I'm going to replace them with the 24 times 5 and then keep the remaining x3 that we have. Well, we know that 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 8 times 5 is 40. So if I subtract 40 from both sides, I get that x3 over 3 is 7. Multiplying by 3 gets us that x3 is 21, so our final answer is 21.